Let us now proceed to extraordinary points. Qianzheng. Question 1. Which structure lies directly beneath Qianzheng?
Masseter.
Masseter.
Ito pala yung extra point.
Qianzheng
HL.
is primarily classified as
Extraordinary point.
Qianzheng is located approximately midway between
Midway.
Between
Stomach
stomach 7, the angle of the mandible. 7.
positional action of Qianzheng does not include
opening channels. So,
Tonified kidney.
tonifying kidney.
Yes. The principal indication of Qianzheng is
Peripheral cell paralysis.
which cranial nerve is most closely associated with the therapeutic effects of Qianzheng?
Facial nerve.
Which artery contributes to the blood supply of the Qianzheng region?
Superficial temporal
Yeah.
artery.
Qianzheng is useful for correcting.
Facial asymmetry.
The recommended insertion depth is
0.3 to 0.5.
needling Qianzheng should be
Perpendicular, slightly oblique.
which condition is least appropriate for Qianzheng?
Sciatic.
Qianzheng is primarily located.
Over the
masseter.
One important precaution is to avoid
overly deep insert.
Tama.
which nerve also passes near Qianzheng.
Temporal.
The primary pathogenic factor treated by Qianzheng according to TCM is
Wind.
Wind.
difficulty closing the eye following Bell's palsy. O di ba, kanina we also discussed 11.14, di ba?
Apo.
Ngayon meron din tayo Qianzheng. Nagkataon, no? Treated because...
Pwede ba pagkabay niyan, Doc? 11-14 tsaka yung extra point?
Sige, ewan ko lang. Sige, try mo daw. Is treated because... Hindi naman, ano di ba? Sa finger naman yung isa. Because Qianzheng... difficulty closing the eye. You use this point. Why?
Benefits the face.
Which point is commonly paired with Qianzheng for Bell's palsy?
Stomach 4.
Or
Which distal point frequently accompanies Qianzheng?
With LI4.
L4.
Which local point is commonly paired with Qianzheng? Local.
Local, no? Stomach 6.
GB14 is added mainly to improve
40. Siyempre, facial paralysis.
Taiyang is frequently combined with Qianzheng for
Facial disorder.
SJ17 is primarily included because of its proximity to
Facial nerve.
electroacupuncture is commonly applied between Qianzheng and
Stomach 4 and stomach 6.
Qianzheng is frequently selected in
Both
Both
acute
acute and chronic facial paralysis.
aggressive needle manipulation should be avoided because the facial region is
highly vascular, richly innervated.
patients taking anticoagulants require
Caution.
additional literature also lists Qianzheng for
Mouth ulcers.
another indication includes
Parotitis.
yeah. Qianzheng is effective for trigeminal ito na ang trigeminal because it
eliminates wind and
benefits facial fractures.
Qianzheng is located
inferior to the zygomatic arch.
The English translation of Qianzheng is
falling to symmetry.
Symmetry.
Traditional sources translate Jiancheng as
Full
Full,
arrive.
right?
needling sensation may extend.
Throughout the cheek.
Another benefit of Jiancheng is relaxation of.
Tendons and muscle.
Jiancheng helps open.
Channels and collaterals.
The point lies anterior to.
Earlobe.
Earlobe.
The anatomical landmark nearest Jiancheng is.
Zygomatic arch.
Part.
Jiancheng is commonly selected to treat.
Shoulder. Trismus.
Trismus, lockjaw, okay?
Lockjaw. Trismus.
Alam ko, lakcho pala yung trismus.
Naganyan
Alam ko na
ako dati.
Ginamit mo?
No, I didn't know how. I just relaxed my jaw.
Ah,
Pero
Tanong ko lang.
tagal, as in naka-lock talaga siya,
Bakit
Tanong
mo?
ko lang.
Napapanik, no?
Yung
Yeah.
may ganyan ako pasyente, pare, nag-lakcho. Yan, tinusukan ko yan. Mga ilang 3 weeks after na, naging okay siya. After 3 weeks, na-stroke.
Hala.
Okay.
Oo.
Siguro kain ng kain.
Oo, baka kakain siya ng kain.
Marami kasing mga regalo, di ba? Which symptoms strongly suggest Jiancheng?
Facial numbness.
The principal muscle influenced by this point is
Buccinator.
the
Masseter.
Sa masseters.
benefits the
Face and jaw.
Intenjo.
stiffest needling angle.
Her
Slightly oblique.
Slightly oblique.
Doc.
Which combination is recommended for mouth ulcers?
Ren 24 do 28 stomach for LI4.
Si madami-dami.
Bon. 24,
Number
4,
one.
28, 4.
Which combination is recommended for parotitis?
SJ17 LI4.
Jiancheng primarily restores.
Facial symmetry.
Facial symmetry.
Bell's palsy protocols often combine Jiancheng with all except.
Kidney 10.
Kidney 10.
The point is valuable in rehabilitation because it.
Improves facial muscle function.
The facial artery supplying the region is.
Transverse facial artery.
The most appropriate depth when using oblique insertion is.
0.5 to 1.
Which statement best summarizes Jiancheng?
It is among the most valuable extra points for peripheral facial nerve disorders. Wow.
Okay.